So we start off today's video with this stunning hair color transformation. Stylist goes in with the color. Wow. Gorgeous ash blonde transformation. She also ended up getting like a shoulder length bob haircut. Beautiful hair change. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have the stylist with the scissors. Oh, looks like she ended up getting a beautiful bob. And then we see someone with this gorgeous curly hair. And the stylist cut the hair into this really cute curly bob style. This is a great option if you have curly strands and you want to go shorter. We're seeing lots of curly bobs and pixies. So here we have another dramatic hair transformation. Looks like the stylist is doing another bob, creating a lot of texture. Bangs to frame out the face. Using the comb method to add in some subtle color. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous, and I really do adore the texture. It's kind of like a nice shaggy bob style. So chic and modern. So next up we have a French girl style bob here. The stylist is using the razor in order to do the cut. And of course, you can't have a French girl bob without bangs. And the nice soft tousled look. Very pretty. So the stylist is adding in some beautiful bangs with this, doing a nice feathered blowout, really creating some volume within the strands. beautiful tousled bob. Here we have another bob haircut. Wow, gorgeous mini bob style. And then we see another haircut transformation. Stylist is also using a razor for this cut. Going in with the shears. Wow, absolutely stunning bob haircuts. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of these hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will, of course, see you next time.